Hi guys, it's Stefan here from Adventure Family Journal. Today I'm learning from two awesome Italian chefs, Fiamma and Ginny. I'm in the region of Tuscany, which is famous for amazing food. We're making a fettuccine pasta. We need to make our Italian pasta dough.
And we need for pasta, what do we need? Okay, flour.
We need two kinds of flour, durum wheat and all-purpose.
Let's start. We have to use 400 grams of flour.
And we need eggs and salt.
With 4 eggs, okay? So first thing, please, we have to create like a mountain. So pour the flour here in the center.
Add 2 flours together and form a mountain.
Now we have to create like a volcano shape. So do a big hole in the center like this. And here we have to crack the egg. Well done. So give the shell to me and transfer this egg here. Last.
Now we need a pinch of salt, an Italian pinch of salt.
Now we need a pinch of salt, but not a regular one, an Italian pinch of salt.
An Italian pinch of salt is a little more generous.
So with 3 fingers, okay, like this.
3 fingers and big pinch.
We have to start gently using a fork, mixing the eggs and incorporating the flour, okay?
Mix the eggs and incorporate the flour.
Try not to break the edge.
Easy does it.
Now it's very liquid, but in a moment, with all this flour, the mixture will be thicker.
Little by little.
And in a moment, even if I break the edge, you won't have like a river everywhere.
Yeah.
You see, that's a very good trick.
Chop it together until it becomes a dough.
Now it's a very crucial moment. We are going to use the spatula. So it's the moment in which you said, I'm going to make a disaster. No, okay? Everything will be fine.
From this basic recipe, you can create all kinds of Italian pasta.
Tagliatelle, fettuccine, pappardelle, lasagne pasta, tortellini, ravioli. That's the pasta, this pasta you can use for many recipes.
Wow.
Yes.
Italy has more than 400 known pasta shapes. Wow!
You have to know that there is no overworking time for pasta. The more you need, the better it tastes.
Did you catch that? The more you need, the better it tastes. Here's where it gets really fun.
Okay, so I create like a bowl and then you have to mix a lot.
Time to knead the dough.
You work with the palm of your hand. You have to push and fold. Push and fold. And if you feel like in this case that a little bit sticky, we are going to add extra flour.
What kid doesn't like to get messy in the kitchen?
On top like this. Okay, push and fold. Push and fold. In a moment it will be your turn. Like this and fold. Well done. Push it. It's like playing Play-Doh a bit.
Yes.
Have fun.
It's like playing with Play-Doh.
Because the secret to have a good pasta is to keep it dry. And this is unfinished wood.
You gotta keep the pasta dry.
If we press, you see it pop up?
When you see the dough pop up, it's almost ready.
So it means that the gluten is becoming elastic. Press. You see? It's bumping back.
I'm making pasta. Knead the dough for at least 15 minutes. Have fun with it.
Cover and put the pasta dough to bed.
Put the pasta dough to bed and let it rest. Pumpkin pasta is perfect for autumn, or actually any time of year.
We have to create the sauce for the fettuccine tagliatelle, okay?
Pumpkin, rosemary, and garlic. And we need olive oil. We're in Italy. We chop the garlic and the rosemary together. Fun! We want those flavors to be infused. This goes into the pan with olive oil. Lots of olive oil.
Extra virgin olive oil. We have to be generous. Don't be shy with extra virgin olive oil.
Italians love olive oil.
This is excellent. The extra virgin means it's the first press of the olives.
Onto the heat and stir.
So while the oil is heating, this flavor are released in the oil, okay?
Yes.
It tastes perfectly well. And we have to be careful. We don't want to burn garlic. So when you start to see that it's bubbling everywhere, it's time for us to add pumpkin, okay?
We don't want to burn the garlic. Careful!
So now we mix. When it's bubbling, just be quick. Add pumpkin. So in this way you are sure that you're not going to burn garlic. Huh? You see it's bubbling?
Then, when it gets all bubbly, it's ready for the pumpkin.
Pumpkin will become very soft, okay? And you will have like a soft sauce of pumpkin, rosemary, garlic, and it will match us perfectly well with tagliatelle. Mine, because here is hot.
Pumpkin is perfect for making sauce because it melts down beautifully.
Now, a good and generous pinch of salt, but in this time we don't put like this, but spread all over.
Sprinkle the salt all around, just a little. Remember, an Italian pinch.
And let it cook for about, let's say, 15 minutes. Depends on the fire, if it's strong or not, okay?
It's getting soft.
Look, you see? Pumpkin is soft.
Almost there.
Okay, so pumpkin sauce done. We can turn the fire off. And we just need to add tagliatelle in here.
We use our pasta dough to make the tagliatelle.
In this case, we want it to be very dry. So let's do this.
Well,
With flour, take from the bag, it's easier.
tagliatelle is long, thin strips of pasta. The pasta maker has a setting for this. The dough goes in, and the tagliatelle comes out. Long, thin strips of deliciousness. Mamma mia! Mwah! When I grow up, I want to be a chef and make pasta every day. Look at that, Italian tagliatelle. Now we boil the pasta. Into the hot water it goes. Careful! My first time making homemade pasta. That sauce looks amazing. The cooked pasta goes into the sauce. Gently mix. I love Italian cooking. I hope you get to try to make Italian pasta too. How beautiful is that in the bowl? Finish with cheese. Parmigiano Reggiano. Enjoy your Italian pasta.